don't think there's anyone even close to Tesla on solving real-world AI. That same computer and software goes into Optimus.
It's too early to discuss pre-ordering the Tesla bot, but when that time comes later this year or next, we assure you that we will provide those detailed insights right now. Surely, many might wonder what this robot will actually do in the real world and if the Tesla bot is truly flexible enough to take on the role of a homemaker. To answer this question, we first need to understand how it will operate at Tesla's factory before Elon Musk delivers it to consumers. What tasks will the Tesla bot perform at the Tesla factory? Not delving into the role of homemaker from the initial development of Optimus, Musk shared its purpose was limited to replacing dangerous, repetitive, and mundane tasks. In other words, the Tesla bot will automate tasks within production and post-production, handling assembly and quality checks within the factory setting before its introduction to the market. First, let's talk about its ability to recognize obstacles and move in the factory.